Don't forget, this is a 360 video, so feel free to look around and see all the aspects of the video. You can do this on a phone, computer, tablet, or even with a VR headset. If you have any problems, check out the video in our description of how to view videos on YouTube in 360. In today's video, we're going to show you around Jellystone Park, formerly known as Bear Cove. It's located in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. At Jellystone Park, they have multiple cabins, RV sites, and even glamping tents. We stayed in Boo Boo's Bear Essentials cabin. In the first room in Boo Boo's Essential cabin, you'll see a bunk bed with a full-size mattress on the bottom and a twin mattress on the top. It also has heating, air, cable, internet, a full bathroom, and a kitchenette. There's also a bedroom in the back with a full-size mattress and another TV. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay at Bear Cove, which is now known as Jellystone Park. Check out Jellystone Park's website in the description below. Subscribe for more 360 videos, and we'll see you in the next trip.